I thought it was good. She was really knowledgeable about her subject. She had a really good attention device. I thought it was really good. She protects really good. I think she could have looked at the audience a little bit more and maybe condensed a couple of the slides, but other than that, everything else was really good.
Yeah, you need some editing. It needs to be condensed. It's 10 minutes and 24 seconds, so you're almost 2.5 minutes over time. You need to pick 2 or 3 of the artists to talk about, or pick 2 or 3 of the styles to talk about, but you're trying to introduce us to the subject, talk about the styles, talk about how it's done, and then talk about artists, and you're just trying to cover too much territory in a short amount of time. So you need to edit. And if you wanted to focus on how certain street artists done, that would be fine. If you wanted to focus on the 3 key street artists in the Los Angeles area, that would be okay also. As it is, it just ends up being a little diffused. One of the problems is because you have so many images that you're showing, that just as you're building momentum to talk about something, we're moving on to another topic, and we get a little bit of that slideshow narration problem that I was talking about. When you watch your video back, you'll probably notice that you spend a lot of time talking to the slides and not as much time talking to us. You turn away from the audience, you get caught up in what's in the images, and it sounds like an art class where you're going through, well, now, look at the composition here and think about these kinds of things, instead of explaining to us and telling us what you think about it, what you've discovered, what you want us to notice about those things. And it needs to be a little bit different than a docent's lecture as you're walking through a museum. And it needs to have a little bit more substance to it. All right, thank you.